To install iOS 27 Developer Beta on your iPhone is super simple. The first thing you want to do is head over to developer.apple.com and then sign on in the top right hand corner. I've already signed up and logged in with a developer account, but if you haven't, go ahead and follow the prompts. It is a free account that you're setting up. Once you've signed in, you want to go over to your iPhone. It may take a little bit for your account to register as a developer, but once you're on your iPhone, open up the settings of your iPhone and then go ahead, scroll down to where it says general, and then under the software update section, the second from the top, you can see you have automatic updates and then you have beta updates here, and you can select on iOS 27 developer beta. You can also select on your account down the bottom if you have a few different accounts, so you can choose a different account to sign in with. We can go ahead and select on iOS 27 developer beta, and this will start to load. Two things I'd recommend is making sure your phone is fully backed up, because developer betas can be really buggy and they can possibly crash. And I'd also make sure you have at least 20 gigs of storage on your phone. When I press the back button, you can see here, it allows me to ask it to update now, update tonight, or if you don't want to do this right now, select on beta updates and just choose to turn this off, because you might want to make sure your phone is backed up. And to check if you have enough storage, go back, and then select on iPhone storage. And you can see here, I've got about 40 gigs free. So I recommend 20 gigs or so is more than enough. But once you have enough storage, once your phone is backed up, go ahead and launch into that developer update. Again, by going software update. And then from here, choosing to select on your beta updates, selecting iOS 27 developer beta. And then once we select back one more time, after we've selected that, you can choose to update it now, update it tonight. I'd also recommend having your phone plugged in to charge just while it's installing, so you don't have any issues. But it's that easy to install the iOS 27 developer beta on your phone. Let me know your comments. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.